This ultimate version of constant speed mixer made by Nithons adopts a large touch screen, making it easier for users to view test process, test data, and set test parameters. Rotational speed and mixing time in different modes can be set respectively as needed, so that users can switch mode with one-button operation to satisfy different test requirements. For example, here we can set rotational speed and mixing time. If users prepare low-density cement slurry, then a lot of lightening in the mixtures would be required. As per API instructions, mixing cement slurry at a high speed of 12,000 RPM for 35 seconds would inevitably decrease the mixture's performance, and thus test requirements cannot be met. Therefore, rotational speed and mixing time shall be adjusted as per test requirements accordingly.